Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best survival bracelet kit is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear you can have for any outdoor adventure, whether you're hiking, camping, or just exploring the wilderness. This compact and versatile tool offers a multitude of survival functions right on your wrist, ensuring you're prepared for the unexpected and can navigate challenging situations with confidence and ease. Number 5. aZengear 5-in-1 Paracord Survival Bracelet. Introducing the aZengear Paracord Survival Bracelet, your compact companion for any adventure. This versatile bracelet is designed to keep you prepared, no matter where you roam. Never get caught in the cold again. It features an integrated fire starter, ensuring you can create warmth and light when you need it most. Stay safe and find your way with the built-in whistle for signaling and a reliable compass for navigation. These essential tools are always within reach. Designed for comfort and a secure fit, it's easily adjustable to suit your wrist size. Wear it daily or pack it for your next expedition. Whether you're camping, hiking, or engaging in everyday carry, this bracelet is an indispensable piece of gear. It's the ultimate emergency kit for scouts and adventurers alike. Crafted from high-quality paracord, it's built to withstand the rigors of the outdoors. Trust it to perform when it matters most. What we like. This bracelet comes with a fire starter and a whistle, making it incredibly useful in emergencies. If you're looking for a compact, all-in-one solution for quick signaling and fire making, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for hikers and campers who prioritize immediate survival tools. What people say. The paracord is strong and durable, perfect for various survival situations. The built-in compass is accurate and easy to read, ensuring you stay on the right path. The fire starter works reliably, even in damp conditions, providing a crucial source of warmth and light. Number 4. Survival Kit 14-in-1. Looking for the perfect gift for the adventurer in your life? This comprehensive kit is designed to ignite their passion for the outdoors and ensure they're prepared for anything. Show your loved ones how much you care with a gift that fuels their sense of adventure. It's an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or just because, especially for those who love camping, hiking, or fishing. This all-in-one kit includes everything needed for survival, from a multi-use spoon, fork, and emergency blanket to a fire starter and compass. It's packed with essential tools for any outdoor excursion. Whether you're hiking, camping, hunting, or traveling, this professional survival kit offers peace of mind. It provides the practical tools you need to stay safe and protected in any unexpected situation. We are committed to providing high-quality products that meet your expectations. If you have any questions or concerns, our team is here to help ensure your complete satisfaction. What we like. This comprehensive kit packs 14 essential tools into a portable package, including fishing gear for sustenance. If you're preparing for extended outdoor trips or want a wide range of tools for various situations, this is the one to consider. It's ideal for hunters, fishermen, and anyone who enjoys deep wilderness exploration. What people say. The paracord is strong and durable, perfect for various outdoor activities. The built-in compass is accurate and reliable, helping you navigate in the wilderness. The fire starter works effectively, even in damp conditions, providing a crucial survival tool. Number 3. WEREWOLVES Paracord 550 Combo Crafting Kits. Unbox a complete paracord kit designed for everyone, from beginners to pros. It includes everything you need to start your first knotting project. Crafted with Type 3 commercial-grade parachute cord, it boasts a minimum breaking strength of 550 pounds. Its robust construction with 7 inner strands ensures reliability when you need it most. This versatile rope is perfect for your home, outdoor adventures, or emergency repairs. Use it for crafting, as shoelaces, or even for fishing line. With enough material to make multiple bracelets, lanyards, and other DIY projects, it's perfect for personal use or a fun crafting party. Give the gift of creativity and preparedness. This kit provides endless crafting possibilities and fosters a rewarding hobby for years to come. Your kit comes with buckles, carabiners, a whistle, a paracord pin, and a soft tape measure, providing all the tools for your projects. What we like. This is a crafting kit that provides all the components to make your own paracord items, including a soft tape measure for precision. If you enjoy DIY projects and want to create custom gear like bracelets or lanyards, this kit is perfect for you. It's great for hobbyists, scouts, or anyone who likes hands-on crafting. What people say. The paracord is strong and durable, perfect for various outdoor activities. The compass is accurate and easy to read, ensuring you won't get lost. The fire starter works reliably, even in damp conditions. Number 2. TRSCIND 14-in-1 Survival Kit. Looking for the perfect gift for the adventurer in your life? This survival kit is designed for men, dads, husbands, and boyfriends who love the outdoors. It's packed with essential tools for any situation. This must-have kit includes a wire saw, emergency blanket, flint stone, flashlight, and more. It's everything you need for survival and outdoor activities, all in a compact package. Weighing just 1.56 pounds and designed to fit easily into a car or backpack, this kit is perfect for any adventure. Its waterproof and shockproof interior ensures your gear stays protected. Surprise him with a gift that's both practical and exciting. It's an ideal present for Father's Day, birthdays, or just because, especially for those who enjoy hunting, fishing, or camping. Show your loved ones how much you care with this thoughtful gift. We are committed to your satisfaction, ensuring you can give this survival kit with complete confidence. What we like. This kit is designed for ultimate portability and protection, featuring a waterproof and shockproof case. If you need a reliable survival kit that's easy to store in your car or backpack without taking up much space, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for everyday carry and for those who value durability and convenience. What people say. This bracelet is very durable and well-made, perfect for outdoor activities. The paracord is strong and can be used for various purposes in an emergency. It includes essential survival tools like a fire starter and a compass, which are very practical. Number 1. Nexfinity 1 Survival Paracord Bracelet Set. Introducing the Nexfinity 1 Survival Paracord Bracelet Set. This essential gear is designed to keep you prepared for any situation, whether you're in the great outdoors or facing an unexpected emergency. Each bracelet is crafted with 550-grade military paracord, strong enough to support up to 550 pounds. It's fully adjustable for a comfortable fit on any wrist, making it perfect for men, women, and teens. This set comes with integrated multi-tools, including a screwdriver, scraper, and wrench, all conveniently stored within the buckle. It also features an SOS LED light, fire starter, compass, and whistle for added safety. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This survival bracelet set is ideal for Father's Day, Christmas, or birthdays. It comes as a set of 2, so you can share the preparedness with a loved one. Lightweight for everyday wear yet rugged for the backcountry, it's perfect for camping, hiking, fishing, and all your outdoor adventures. Be ready for anything with this reliable everyday carry accessory. Made with high-quality materials and rigorously tested tools, you can trust its reliability. Backed by Nexfinity 1, it's the ultimate emergency preparedness gift or daily carry item. What we like. This set includes 2 bracelets, each with an SOS LED light and a compact multi-tool integrated into the buckle. If you're looking for a versatile survival tool that also offers signaling capabilities and a handy multi-tool, this is a great pick. It's ideal for couples, friends, or anyone who wants a backup and a sharing option. What people say. The paracord is strong and can be used for various survival situations. The compass is accurate and easy to read, even in low light conditions. The ferro rod sparks easily and lights tinder quickly, making fire starting reliable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.